That's why if you want unit list of this expression, so 8 into 2 16, unit list is 6, 6 into 8 48, the unit list is 8, 8 into 2 16, the unit list is 6, 6 into 6 36, unit list is 6, 6 into 7 42, the unit list is 2, 2 into 9 18, so that's the unit list is 8. So then next is another example is, so find the unit digit of, find the unit digit of 2 power 91. Find the unit digit of 2 power 91. You are asking what is unit digit of 2 power 91? So here, if you want unit digit of 2 power 91, so method 1. So you know, base are equal, power should be added. So that is, you can write 2 power 10 into 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 2 power 1. Here, bases are equal, power should be added. So that's why 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 10 30, 30 plus 10 40, 40 plus 10 50, 50 plus 10 60, 70, 80, 90, 90 plus 1, 2 power 91. You know, 2 power 10 means 2 power 1 equal to 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, 2 power 4 16, 2 power 5 32, 2 power 6 64, 2 power 7 128, 2 power 8 256, 2 power 9 512, 2 power 10 1024, 2 power 11 2048, 2 power 12 4096, and so on. So here you can take 2 power 10 equal to 1024. Here 1024, 1024. So next 1024, 1024, 1024 into 1024 into 1024. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1024 into 2. So this expression is converted into same way before example. So 4 into 4 16. So that is unit list is 4 6 6. 4 into 4 16. So that's why you can write 6. 4 into 4 6. So then next 4 into 4 16. That's why you can take 6. So 6. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is 8. So 6 into 6 36. Unit list is 6 6. So the next is 6 into 8. So 48 8. 6 into 8 48. Unit list is 8. This is the one way. The alternate is 2 power any number. The unit digits are 2486, 2486, 2486, and so on. So can observe clear 2 for 1 equal to 2, 2 square equal to 4, 2 cube equal to 8, 2 for 4 equal to 16, 2 for 5 equal to 32, 2 for 6 equal to 64, 7 equal to 128, 8 equal to 256, 9 5 12, 10 1024, 11 2048, 12 4096. So you can observe 2 power any number, the unit digits are 2486. 2486. These elements are repeated. That means cyclically repeated 2486, 2486, 2486. So that's why you can take method 2. Can take 2 power 91. So can take power value. Power value is 91. So power value should be divisible by many elements repeated. 4 elements are repeated. 4 elements are repeated. That's why it should be divisible by 4. 4 2 is 8, 1, 1. 2 is 8, 3. So it given to 2 power remainder. 2 power remainder. So 2 power remainder means 2 power, the remainder is 3. So that's why 2 cube equal to 8. So this is the method. 2 power any number, unit digits are 2, 4, 8, 6. That's why should be divided, power value should be divided by 4. 4, so 422 is the 88, remainder is 3. So it gives to answer 2 power remainder, 2 cube is the 8. So that's why this is the answer. Thank you. So next class, discuss into 3 power, 4 power, 5 power, 6 power, 7 and 8 and 9 and so on. Okay, thank you.